I rise today to celebrate Pollinator Week in Pennsylvania. It is an opportunity to raise awareness of the importance of pollinators and the urgent need to protect them and their habitats. As we know, pollinators play a crucial role in supporting our environment, our economy, our food supply, and so much more. But as we mark Pollinator Week 2023, let's also remember that when we talk about pollinators, we're talking about more than just bees. For example, new research shows that moths account for a third of the pollinator visits to crops, flowers, and trees in urban areas. These nighttime pollinators were found to be carrying more pollen than previously thought and visiting more types of plant and fruit crops than previously identified. About 90% of modern plants, some 300,000 to 400,000 species, are flowering plants. Studies now suggest that the first ones, which evolved 140 million years ago, were pollinated by insects, not bees, because bees had not yet evolved. So most likely, some type of small fly or beetle were the earliest pollinators. And lastly, scientists recently discovered that a Brazilian tree frog may be the first known amphibian pollinator. This adds to growing evidence that we need to broaden our understanding of which animals act as pollinators beyond the well-known birds and insects. So bees are important and they need to be protected, but they are not the only pollinators. We also have birds, bats, butterflies, beetles, and other small animals, and now maybe even amphibians, that perform this crucial biological function. Lastly, I want to remind everyone that you can now help support pollinators by purchasing a pollinator conservation license plate. Sales of these specialty license plates help fund the creation of native grass and perennial wildflower-filled pollinator habitats along our state highways. I have mine ordered, by the way. I hope we can continue to work together to support other legislative initiatives to protect pollinators and promote pollinator habitat growth. Thank you, and happy Pollinator Week.